Good afternoon, everyone. This is Debbie Henderson from Debbie's Designs. I'm coming in unexpectedly today to explain something that I posted on Facebook and on my blog today. My monthly Merry Christmas card club. So I'm doing something a little bit different for the month of November, and I thought I would show it to you, and maybe that would better explain it to you. So on November 1st, we have a brand new Christmastime is Here suite of products. You can see there's a whole bunch of products here that are going to be available to customers starting November 1st. So this is the suite that I am using for my Merry Christmas card club for the month of November. And I wanted to show you what came with the club. So for a $35 fee, you're going to get half of a package of the beautiful Christmastime is Here designer paper. Now let me go through all of the patterns with you. Now one side of these sheets has gold embossing. It's specialty designer paper. You can see the roses here on this one have the gold embossing. Next we have this side with side number 2 with the gold embossing. And then the third pattern or the sheet, this is one side with the pine cones. And again, we have some gold embossing. Now, what is great about this sheet, the stamp set, which comes in 2 cases, they're both called the Christmas Rose. It's really neat because this set is the cling mount, and then you have the dies that go with it. When you take out this large die, it actually fits on the designer paper to cut out the designer paper. So I'm going to be using that on some of the cards that are going to be available. And then stamp set number 2 is actually the photopolymer stamp set. So this comes with the bundle. You get the dies, and the dies are actually a 7-piece set. Beautiful dies. So when you join my November Christmas club, and I have to know by October 31st, what you get is half a package of the designer paper that I showed you. You get a package of the gold glitter enamel dots. Look how pretty those are. And you also get the gold shimmer ribbon, the 1/4-inch shimmer ribbon. You'll get a whole spool. And then you get 8 card kits that I send you. Everything is pre-cut. All you do is use these products to finish off your cards. And I did give a sneak peek on my blog today of one of the cards that will be included in the kit. And then the other ones I don't show you. I just gave you a sneak peek, but there's more. You can also choose, so the stamp set is something you can add on to the monthly fee. We also have a bracelet that comes with this suite, a beautiful gold bracelet. It's got a Stampin' Up logo and then the little rose. I'm going to see if I can show that to you. So this is another add-on option. If you choose to add the bracelet or the stamp and die bundle or just the stamp set, I actually give you 15% discount for adding these on. Now, what I usually do with my card kits for the month, I give you 8 card kits to work with. But because this is such a special suite of products that are only available for 1 month, I'm going to give you 3 bonus cards with your free direction sheet. So this is one of the cards. You can see where I stamped the roses and the leaves and the sprigs. And I have a couple layers there. And the second set of cards is actually a card that they go together. They both are made with 1 sheet of cardstock and they open diagonally. So you can see how they open in opposite directions. So not only will you get the 8 card kits plus the directions and the products to make your cards, you'll get a bonus project sheet to also make 3 additional cards. And this is the sneak peek and the bracelet. And let me bring the stamp sets back in. So that's all I wanted to show you today, was explaining more in detail what my Merry Christmas card club for the month of November consists of, I can't find my little sign. There we go. So let me know by August 3rd, August, I wish it was August. Let me know by October 31st if you're interested. And if you go to my blog, Debbie's Designs, you'll see everything listed there for you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye, everyone.